everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Anshika and I'm a clay artist. So this video is about the main question that people always ask me, which is आप इतनी सारी clay कहाँ से buy करते हो? So before that, let me tell you one thing. When I started my clay journey, I used to buy the clay in bulk from the market, from a local market actually, and sometimes I also get the clay in collaborations, but I did some research and find out that we can also make our own DIY clay at home. So आज मैं इस वीडियो में बताने वाली हूँ the whole process of making that clay, and that clay is known as whole porcelain clay or air dry clay, which means when it comes in contact with air, it will dry on its own. So let's start and make our clay, and don't forget to write all the ingredients which I'm going to use. So the first ingredient is cornstarch, then vinegar or any preservative of your choice, then Fevicol or any PVC glue, and any colorless oil. I'm using parachute oil here, and white acrylic color, which is totally an option for you guys. Now let's start mixing all these ingredients properly, and for that I'm using a cup full of PVC glue, then 2 tablespoons of colorless oil, 2 tablespoons vinegar, and a cup full of cornstarch and some amount of white acrylic color. Now there are some important things that I want to tell you is that number one, I am using white acrylic color because this clay turns out yellowish after some time, so to protect the color I'm using this white acrylic color here. And the second thing is always use the cornstarch and PVC glue in the same amount. And now हमें सारे ingredients को properly mix करना है, and we have to make sure that there are no lumps in the batter. After that we have to cook this mixture on a very low flame in a non-stick pan, and हमें इसे continuously stir करना है till its texture becomes like this. And in the end the clay should look like this. After that we have to cautiously take out our clay from the pan. And जब इसका temperature थोड़ा सा down हो जाए, then with the help of cornstarch and some amount of oil we have to make our clay dough. And to find out कि हमारी clay properly बनी है या नहीं बनी है, we can do a teardrop test like this, and the clay should not stick to our palm. I'm putting some oil over the clay and storing it in a poly bag. You can also store it in an airtight container. So here is your most premium quality cold porcelain clay or air dry clay, and you can use it after 24 hours when you make this clay to get more smoother texture for your clay creations. So this is the next day and I'm thinking of making something out of this clay. I have decided to make a Totoro keychain. You guys might have heard about this character. I need a grey color for making Totoro, and for that I'm using chalk pastels. So what I'm gonna do is scratch some amount of black chalk pastel color, and now I'm going to show you the whole process of making a Totoro keychain, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Here's how I felt when I finished making this keychain. Let me know your thoughts and I'll be back soon with another creative idea. See you next time. Bye bye.